Hey everyone, this is Komal here from EnglishWise, and today I have Roshana with me who has smashed PT with 8 each, guys. He got wonderful scores with listening 90, reading 80, speaking 86 and writing 84. So that's really commendable scores that he has actually got with us. So heartiest congratulations to you first of all.
Thank you very much, Komal.
So tell me how you feel about your success first of all. That are you happy or you're like what?
Yeah, for sure. I'm feeling like over the moon because I was looking forward to this for a very long time. So once I started class, I was like, okay, I'm on the right track because I was thinking of self-studying PTE initially.
Okay.
Then I was like, okay, it's not gonna work.
So what do you think, self-study was going to get you score, or what made actually to change your mind that okay, let's join the institute?
I was like, initially, because once I saw the questions and I have done IELTS before, but it was different, and the way you need to do everything was different. So I was thinking, that's the time I was thinking I should go and check for a class.
Yeah, because PT is more about the guys' strategies and tips and templates. It's not just an English exam, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Okay. So that was wonderful. So while preparing for your exam, Roshana, anything you want to discuss in particular question that how they should actually approach towards your exam, or any difficult area where you actually use any strategy? Just want to do that.
Yeah. So I had a lot of problems in my blanks, mainly in reading.
Okay.
Because I got like in my mock exams, which I did EnglishWise portal, I got 90s and 80s for all the other modules. So in reading, in the last couple of weeks or so, I was mainly concentrating on the blanks. So what I did different was, like I did questions and I noted down all the blanks which I got wrong, and I did at least like 50 questions per day to, mainly not to cram or like memorize any blank. It's mainly to understand the content and get, get the momentum of like doing.
I think it's important because you was discussing with students as well that you didn't get any repeated question in your exam, but the way you are saying that okay, you believe in understanding the question and how you tackle the different questions, of course it makes a difference, guys. So never go with the mindset that okay, you're going to clear this exam only if you get repeated question. Believe in yourself, and I think be confident. You have already practiced definitely a lot of questions before your exam, which will boost your confidence to tackle any new question, right?
Exactly.
So how was your exam day? You tell me, like was you stressed or you was comfortable?
Actually, I was a bit comfortable this time around because so in the sense I didn't stress too much because I was thinking I was prepared and I know what I was doing. So mainly throughout the exam I was going on time and like following up with every question correctly, and I was confident throughout the exam. Only you may have some distractions with other people, like closing the exam and going out of the center. So sometimes because in listening you have to be on time with everything, because sometimes if you miss one right from dictation or a question from that, you will lose a lot of marks. So I had a small distraction, but somehow I have managed it, otherwise I would have got 90 for listening. So otherwise I didn't have any problem. So that's mainly due to being confident because of coming classes and practicing every day.
I think that's amazing, guys, right? Because he has practiced a lot of things and he has given the mock test, he was coming to the classes, and he was actually quite determined to get his score as well, which is I think most important thing which contributes towards his success. Thank you so much, Roshana, for sharing your wonderful experience with us. All the best for your life ahead. Thank you so much, guys. If you're out struggling to get your score, okay, please do visit us. Hope you all will smash your desired score. Thank you so much.